All right, so if you want to know when a function is increasing, decreasing, you need the first derivative. And again, this time they actually gave us the derivative, so they're trying to make our life a little bit easier. So the only place our graph might be changing directions is at critical numbers. So we really need to find the critical numbers, which is where the first derivative is 0 or undefined. So set the first derivative equal to 0. I'm going to solve by factoring out a GCF. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. And I got critical numbers at x equals 0 and x equals 1/2. Now, it's very, very, very recommended that you guys start labeling these the same way that I do. If I'm working with this because it's a critical number and I'm working with this because it's a critical number, label them as critical numbers. That helps you organize your thoughts here. But these are the places that might be changing directions. So if we need to try something in between these, like maybe a fourth, to the right of this like 1, and maybe to the left of this like -1. But I want to plug those into the first derivative. First derivative is positive, it's increasing. First derivative is negative, it's decreasing. So again, you got to be a little bit careful with the arithmetic here, but we're trying to get better at that without just going straight to our calculators. But if you plug in -1, you get a negative value, so the function's decreasing. You plug in +1, the first derivative is positive, so it's increasing. And then 1/4 is a lot harder to plug in, but it is definitely manageable. That becomes negative. So when is it increasing? You've got this little visual right here. It's increasing from 1/2 to infinity. That's how you were supposed to find that. Okay, any follow-up questions to this box?